up, guys? What's up, guys? Nandito naman kami making another video. Medyo busy kami ngayong weekend. Saturday nga pala, guys. Kala makapagpahinga kami. Pero, you know,
Yup.
parang ito si Beno, kasama ko siya.
What's up? Ito, may rush order.
So yeah, kakatapos lang namin isa naming project. It was like, 36, diba?
36 items.
36 shirts na ginawa namin for a business. Shoutout to nga pala kay Kuya Vince, VRC, Massage and Wellness, no?
Yeah.
So yeah,
Pagka
pakita
gusto nyo
namin sa'yo real
mag-relax.
quick, guys, yung ginawa namin. So, ito siya. So, wait. Tsaka guys, nag-upgrade na kami, man. Quality namin, hindi na basta-basta. So, ito yung logo nila. Oh, hindi ko alam.
Pakita mo yung likod, akin na. Ito yung likod.
So, yeah. Sobrang yan. High quality na kami, guys. Hindi na kami,
Hindi na basta-basta.
hindi na basta-basta. And then, ngayon, kagabi actually, late night, may nag-ano sa amin.
May tumawag sa amin.
May tumawag din sa amin na kakilala namin. And then, paggawa rin. So, dapat i-deliver lang namin to kay Kuya Vince. But, we ended up making more. And then, mamaya, i-deliver namin sabay na. So, yeah.
You guys see later kung ano itong design na to. Shoutout sa'yo sa umabol. Stress kami.
Yeah, so, ang mahirap dito kasi, guys, yung sa mga, hindi naman kami fully, hindi pa kami fully
Prepare sa lahat ng gamit.
prepare sa lahat ng gamit. Tulad na itong mga rush na to. So, we actually had to run out. We had to wake up early, run out, maghanap ng kulay na gusto, ganito, ganyan, I guess it's all part of
Business.
business, yung para...
Like you can't say no pagka may customer. So you
Yeah.
have to make it possible talaga.
yeah. So, yeah, it's been a hectic morning, guys, So, pakita lang namin sa inyo how we work right now. By the way, syempre, kailangan namin ng snacks.
Healthy snacks.
Healthy snacks to, man. Di basta-basta.
Oh. Shoutout sa gumawa ng snacks natin.
Yeah, shoutout kay Marinoli for feeding us all the time.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, guys, we're actually building our own podcast din. Actually, itong room na nakikita nyo, hindi na namin na So, ito yung parang original namin. So, we have our, what do you call it? Mga stocks namin, mga racks, the working area where the magic happens, press, and then ito parang organized stuff lang. Pero, since we're getting kind of more business ba, by the way, shout out to you guys sa mga nagsusuporta. We're actually moving to the other
Facility.
headquarters. Yeah. So, meron din kaming binibuild na podcast, doon. So, everything is all gonna be in one. And, yeah, later on, may guest kami. And then, yeah, we have so much stuff to do. We'll try to vlog it, Hindi pa kami masyadong sanay sa It's just, it's very hard kasi like working at the same time and then trying to document everything, So, but yeah, we'll try our best.
Ito, Dog, nagpe-press na ulit ng para sa client na Super Rush. Yeah, yung Marian's Club.
So guys, shoutout nga pala kay Marian. Ano ba yan? Competition?
Hindi ko alam.
I think singing competition, sana manalo ka, May supporters ka na dito agad.
Sana manalo ka.
Sana manalo ka dahil, pinaghirapan namin yung fan club shirt mo. Kaya pakita namin sa inyo, guys.
Ito.
Ito na pala, may isa na palang gawa.
Ayan.
Marian's Fan Club. Nice. So, singing competition nata yan,
Siguro.
So, yeah.
Ito yung Super Rush na order.
Yun yung rush na order namin ngayon. Plus, ito, nabalot na rin namin. ready for delivery. And then, may tropa kaming
Kuripot.
ang ina, grabe.
Scammer.
May tropa kaming scammer, dadaling ngayon yung gusto niya patatakan na hoodies. And bumili siya ng shirt. And ibibigyan namin siya ng freebie kahit scammer, hayop. Pero yeah, mamaya vlog namin yon. And then yeah, see you guys later.
Dami deliver, man. Saturday na Saturday. Still working. Saturday na Saturday, dog. Kala ko naman nakapag-day off na ako. May multo pa tayong kasama, oh. Hindi nila gets yung kung ano yung multo. Pakita mo yung multo.
May multo guys.
Dog, buhatin mo na to. Magbibit-bit pa ako ng multo.
Hirap naman mag-vlog. Dati-dati, ano lang tayo. Ano?
Sa tayo inom, dog. Sa tayo kakain.
Hindi, usually mga ganitong oras.
Kakain muna tayo na ito. Buffet.
Hindi, kakagising lang natin, may hangover pa. Ngayon, di na nga tayo nakapag-inom, napagod pa.
Di pa nakapag-chill.
Walang chill-chill no? Pero it's been fun, man.
Tapos tag dito. Dapat may trabaho rin ako ngayon. Sabi ko, magpapahinga ako. Ay, nagtatrabaho.
Wala rin pala.
8 hours din nagtrabaho eh.
Grabe.
Ito yung mga, ito yung life na gusto mo nang isuko pag natrabaho mo. Gusto mo maiba buhay mo.
Pero kunyari, we get to do this. Ito lang gagawin natin everyday. Would you rather do this or yung current work mo?
Everyday na ako magagato. Okay.
Diba, tsaka at least hindi tayo stuck in one place.
Oh, pati
Yeah.
parang pag may amo ka dun, ito, amo tayo sarili natin.
Difference lang sa atin ngayon, hindi tayo per ora, pero the more effort we put in, the more we make. So, kumbaga, nakadepende sa atin how much we're gonna make. Diba?
Oo.
Kasi kunyari, if we're getting we're actually going out there to get business, Kumbaga, it's more than per hour na makikikitain natin. So isipin mo today, how much did we can't really say about it.
Not pwede sabihin. Pero yung buong araw namin, kinita namin ng ilang oras na. Joke lang.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
We'll get there eventually.
Eventually.
Pero yeah, ito yung ina-enjoy namin guys. Kaya kami nag-vlog in a way, kaya kami we're just documenting our journey nga. Kasi we wanna look back at this like
After-
a few years from now, then see how far we've come. So yeah, it's kinda exciting, kinda scary.
Siyempre, lahat ng feelings, emotions, mararamdaman.
Hindi na. Tsaka guys, lagi kaming may times na we're kinda stressed kasi di namin alam gagawin namin. Oh, may problema. Like just today, like rush, wala kaming mahanap na material na kailangan namin.
Tapos kanina mainit na ulo ni Martin. Ano ba? Ito ba bibili?
Ako, kagising ko lang. I took my time na, I woke up early. Di ako nag-coffee, di ako naghilamos. wala akong kinain.
Which is hindi naman bago.
Usually naman, nagka-coffee ako. Kahit pa paano. Wala pa akong coffee. Putek. So, na-high blood ako kanina pa lang. Pero it was worth it, I'm learning to handle my
May temper.
My temper, my emotions better. Dahil sa mga stress, which is part of doing
Business
and part of growing up din, syempre. So,
Sabi nga nila, kailangan bago ka mag-business, ayusin muna natin ang attitude natin. Kasi kung may
hindi pala nagre-record.
Sabi nga nila, yun nga, ayusin natin ang attitude natin kasi pagka maganda attitude natin, mas maganda magiging business. Napanood ko lang yung sa Facebook yung Chinese.
Yun nga.
Lalaki, galing niya. So ayun, ito.
Kumbaga like parang yung stress is naturally gonna come. It's how you handle the stress that's gonna make a difference. Diba?
Yup. At least ngayon, na-stress natin, business natin na...
Tsaka guys, hindi na kami yung mga pinag-uusapan namin lately which I'm very proud of. Like, how can we be better, how can we be, how can we improve. And so
Support.
far, like,
Yeah.
we've improved a lot as far as like if you compare our first, yung starting out talaga, yung pinaka-initial start namin, guys.
Grabe yun.
Jesus, it was crazy.
Paghahanap
God.
pa lang ng shirts, mga ganon.
So we spend money finding the right shirts, the quality that we like. Kasi ayaw naman namin na, like, yun nga yung sinasabi ko lagi, yung binibenta namin, it's something that we're proud to wear din. So,
Pagyayabang namin.
yeah, kaya namin ipaglaban ba, hindi yung parang, yung mga parang cheap na, cheap
hindi.
stuff lang just so we can have sure, we don't want that.
Just to make profit, benta kami ng shirts na cheap lang. Hindi kami ganun. Kahit konti lang yung profit namin, basta yung quality na naibibigay. Alright, first deliver for today.
Hey, what you doing, boy? Can't do that around here. Tao po.
Tao po. Police Department.
Tama-tama yun, gusto nyo kumain?
Ay, nako, sakto.
Sakto ah.
Yan nga ba sinasabi namin eh.
Pero $10 na lang isa.
Sige lang.
What's up, guys? So, pakain kami ngayon.
Oh my God, ang sarap.
Wala na kami energy. Ready to sleep na. Pero, we still have to deliver one more sa VRC. So, we're on the way there. I'll see you guys there. Pahinga muna kami.
Baya.
So, guys, welcome to VRC. Kuya Beans. Taba.
Gato pala to, no? Masarap pala to.
Hopefully, makita niya.
Hopefully makita niya. Hindi kami mapagingay, baka kasi may may
Sobrang
customer.
tahimik kasi doon, guys. So, hindi kami mapag-ingay.
So ayun, check nyo yung VRC sa Google.
Guys, ito yan. Nasa Skokie, Lincoln and
Lincoln and Brown.
and Brown. Guys, I think that's it. It's been a busy day for us. Later on, we're doing a podcast, so we have to get ready for that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.